Hi everyone, how to fix the we cannot activate Windows on this device as we cannot connect to your organization. So I will show you guys the two effective solution to fix this problem, so make sure you watch this entire video. First solution is go to the Windows search, type as the CMD and run as administrator. Then click on the yes option. Now here you have to simply type this command. And these two command I also give you in the description box, so you can easily copy and paste this command and run this command. So just paste the commands in here, press the Control V and then hit the enter and then wait for this message. And guys, once this message was come up, just click on the OK and just restart your PC. After the restart, see your problem is fixed or not. And guys, if your problem is not fixed, then the next solution is go to the Windows tab with the CMD again and run as administrator. Now click on the yes option and now here you will have to just run the second command. So this command I also give you in the description box, or you can also type it manually. Just paste it here and hit the enter and wait for the message. It will take a few minutes or the like the 10 minutes. So you have to just wait for it until this give you the message like your Windows is activated. So guys, as you can see, it gave me the message like this. So it is giving me the error because I have the already activated Windows, but it will give you the message like your Windows is activated and then you have to just simply restart your PC. After the restart, your problem is definitely fixed. So guys, these are the two methods to fix this problem. If your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video because this is on motivation for me. And I will see you guys in the next video.